You know what? There was a little otter who couldn't swim. His name was Ollie, and he lived by a sparkling river, together with a big family of playful otters. His brothers and sisters spent all day flipping, sliding, catching fish, even floating on the water while they slept. But Ollie, the moment he touched water, he would shiver, his heart pounding like a drum, and all four paws freezing in place. Am I a broken otter? Ollie thought sadly. One day, the otter family was holding a water slide race. Everyone was so excited, except Ollie, who looked nervous. Before the race even began, Ollie quietly slipped away. He wanted to find a place to live, where he'd never have to swim. First, he went into the forest and met a group of moles. He tried digging with them, but his tail kept getting stuck. This place isn't for me. Then, he climbed up a hill and saw some mountain goats jumping on rocks. Ollie tried to jump too, but roll, he tumbled all the way down, with a little leaf stuck to his ear. Where can I really belong? Ollie lay on a rock, his heart feeling empty. Just then, a familiar voice called from the bushes. Ollie! It was his sister, Luma. She ran over and hugged Ollie, panting as she said, "We've been looking everywhere for you." "How did you know I was here?" Ollie asked. Luma smiled. "Every time you cross a stream, you get your paws wet and leave a trail of wet footprints. Back by the river, Luma didn't tell him to jump in right away. Instead, she spoke softly. You know, I used to be afraid of water too. It was you who played in puddles with me that helped me slowly start to like it." Ollie's eyes lit up. He remembered his favorite puddle, shallow enough to see his own reflection. "Then, can I start there?" he asked. Luma nodded. "Of course, I'll be with you." From that day on, Ollie practiced at the little puddle every day. At first, just splashing his paws, then learning to float, until finally, he swam. Now, his favorite thing is lying on his back in the water, looking at the clouds, drifting and drifting, like in a dream. Sometimes, you don't have to swim as fast as everyone else. You just have to be willing to take it slow. What matters isn't how brave you are, but whether you're willing to take that first step.